Hi, little artists! Today we're going on a magical journey into the world of Huntrix. And we're not drawing just one character, we're drawing 3 amazing heroes. First Rumi, then Zoey, and finally Mira. Let's begin with Rumi. She is calm, elegant, and full of soft magic. When we draw her, let your lines flow gently. One line will always guide the next. Rumi teaches us something beautiful. Art doesn't have to be loud to be strong. You can use any colors you love for her. Soft, bright, warm, or cool. This is your Rumi. Now it's time for Zoey, the spark of the team. Zoey is energetic, brave, and fun. But here's a secret. When she first started, she felt a little shy too. But each drawing made her braver. That's the power of art. While drawing Zoey, let your lines be playful and free. Let your hand dance across the page. And now, the last hero, Mira. Mira sees the world like a dream. The sky becomes a painting. The wind becomes a brush. As you draw her hair and eyes, imagine the story in every line. Use any colors you want. Dark, bright, glowing, pastel. Everything works. This is your Mira. Little artists, remember? Every drawing is an adventure. One line leads to another. One color brings the page to life. If you ever feel unsure like Zoey, draw a small line. If you ever feel dreamy like Mira, follow your imagination. If you ever feel peaceful like Rumi, draw gently and let your heart speak. And we're finished! Your drawings of Rumi, Zoey, and Mira look amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. It makes me super happy. And subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next Huntrix hero. You can find the full Huntrix playlist on my channel too. See you in the next drawing. Bye-bye!